I will address 4 specific topics that we constantly get a lot of questions about. And the 2 first ones, not strangely, is about Denmark. The legal case in Denmark. Since June 2015, Atea has given regular updates on the police investigation in Denmark and on the legal proceedings which followed. The District Court of Glostrup began hearing the case on October 10th, 2017, and the verdict is expected in June 2018. I will therefore use this opportunity to share with you my views on the case as it stands today. But before I do that, I will repeat some of the main elements in this case. Atea Denmark is under prosecution as the legal responsible entity for bribery and embezzlement carried out by 4 previous leading employees during the period between 2009 and 2014. Under Danish law, a company can be held legally responsible for actions undertaken by employees. Atea has taken comprehensive measures to prevent future misconduct. These measures include the following. Atea Denmark has conducted a self-cleaning program in accordance with EU legislation and the Danish Public Procurement Act. This has been reviewed by Deloitte. Atea Denmark has received the highest international certification for anti-bribery, the ISO 37001, as one of the first companies in Europe. The code of conduct for Atea has been updated and strengthened. All employees of the Atea Group, not only in Denmark, are required to complete a training and a test in ethics and the code of conduct with 0 tolerance for breach. The whistleblower system has been strengthened for those who wish to report violations of the code of conduct or other relevant laws and rules. The Atea Group has established a thorough compliance system, including comprehensive control procedures. A compliance committee has been established in the board of directors of the group. The group CFO, Robert Giori, has been appointed Group Compliance Officer. All business units report on compliance quarterly to make sure that the governance systems are working. All these efforts together result in a compliance regime of highest international standard. And now, some personal views. There are many victims in this case, and Atea is one of them. There are 2 reasons why I say that. Firstly, no company can protect itself 100% against acts of crime. No compliance or governance system comes with a guarantee that misconduct cannot happen. Every system can be tampered with, and the risk of being exposed for crime is higher if the attempts are executed by leading employees as compared to lower ranked employees without the access to and the approval rights in the system which are meant to protect the company. Secondly, Atea Denmark has already paid a huge penalty in terms of time and money on handling the incident and loss of business. I fully support the principle that a company can be held legally responsible and penalized if its former leading employees are found guilty in criminal activities. But I also believe a company should be judged by its internal and external stakeholders on how it handled the incident. In my opinion, employees, shareholders, customers, and business partners should all expect the company to be transparent, proactive, collaborative, and humble. The company should also show regret and demonstrate the willingness and ability to turn every stone to understand how the incident could happen and what's needed to be done to prevent it from happening again. It is my personal firm belief that Atea has done all this. We acted proactively at an early stage. We have been transparent with all our main stakeholders throughout the process. We have collaborated fully and lengthily with the police. And on several occasions, I have apologized on behalf of the company. Finally, Atea has taken comprehensive measures to prevent misconduct in the future. I dare to say that Atea today has the most comprehensive compliance system of any Scandinavian company within the IT business. Therefore, and in this context, I am glad that the prosecutor in the Danish court gave a clear recognition of the proactive collaboration Atea has had over a long period with the police, as well as the comprehensive measures our company has taken to prevent future misconduct. As a final point, I want to say that Atea is a safe and reliable partner for our customers and vendors. We have, both as a company and as employees, a zero-tolerance policy towards corruption or unethical behavior. We are now looking forward to put this almost 4-year process behind us and get back to building Denmark with IT.